Massive steel plates unload from cargo ships at the bustling dockyard, cranes looming as Titanic's construction ignites.
Workers inspect raw steel sheets for flaws under floodlights, hammers testing integrity with precision. Towering cranes lift massive metal frames skyward against stormy skies, Titanic's skeleton rising.
The grand staircase must be wider. It is the centerpiece. We are pushing the limits on the bulkhead riveting as it is. We must prioritize safety.
Hydraulic press bends steel plates into curves, birthing Titanic's elegant hull form powerfully. Molten steel pours into foundry molds, hardening into strength amid intense orange glow. Titanic's keel laid ceremonially on slipway, workers cheering as construction officially starts. Workers hammer rivets into plates attaching to frame, forging Titanic's unbreakable skin.
Welders seal hull joints with electric arcs, sparks exploding in brilliant white fusion.
Drone sweeps over expanding hull frame, revealing Titanic's intricate steel web majestically.
Check the pressure gauge on level 7.
Looks stable. Proceed with the weld.
Workers torch heat plates red hot, bending them by hand into precise hull contours.
3, 2, 1, bend!
Ease, ease! Bring her down! Watch the gap on the left!
Machines lay lower deck floors seamlessly, rollers smoothing plates into perfect position.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on deck 5.
Looks good here. Locking it in.
Bulkheads welded into compartments, ensuring Titanic's unsinkable, watertight safety.
Corridor walls welded, forming labyrinth passages, sparks echoing through emptiness.
Drone captures deck layers rising simultaneously, Titanic towering in progression. Steam engine parts assembled meticulously in vast factory hall. Power heart coming alive. Shaft tunnels bored laser straight into hull, aligning propeller drive shafts perfectly.
All right, slowly now. Watch the starboard side. Easy, easy. Bring it down another foot, another foot.
High-pressure pipes welded across engine room, completing pressure network safely.
Make sure it's tight against that curve. Looks good. Got it. Ready for the next one.
Giant propeller polished mirror finish, blades gleaming like sharpened swords.
Cranes lower massive propeller into stern, divers guiding underwater perfectly.
Engine room pulses alive with test lights, gauges flickering mechanically.
Superstructure rises pristinely white, luxury levels ascending vertically splendidly.
Portholes fitted precisely into superstructure, framing perfect ocean views. Iconic bow shape welded sharply, razor prow emerging powerfully. Titanic nameplate riveted proudly onto bow, golden letters gleaming eternally. Lifeboat racks mounted strategically on upper deck, davits swinging ready. Crew cabins partitioned functionally within superstructure for working hands. Half-completed Titanic towers majestically over Shipyard at midway milestone. Crystal chandeliers hoisted into dining ceilings, prisms sparkling rainbows.
Bring it down slowly.
Right there. Does that match the schematic?
Yes, perfectly centered.
First-class bathrooms fitted with porcelain gold, private luxury completing.
Titanic's yellow funnels fabricated towering in workshop, steel cones shaping upward.
A little to the west. Steady. All right, hold her there. Stop.
Lifeboats painted crisp white, cranes lifting into ready davit racks.
Hull painters spray thick red lead anti-rust, armoring below waterline.
Black topsides, white superstructure, red waterline sprayed, livery legendary. Stern Titanic lettering gilded brilliant gold, identity crowned gloriously.
The champagne bottle swings, crashing spectacularly to christen Titanic dramatically.
Titanic surges unstoppable down the slipway amid thunderous crowd roars.
Tugboats guide Titanic powerfully into open waters, hawsers straining taut.
Steam engines ignite to load those decks. Black smoke billows majestically from 4 yellow funnels, declaring Titanic's full power. Titanic sails slowly under own power, cutting waves inaugurally. Vibration readings monitored delicately, smooth performance perfectly confirmed. Titanic surges to full speed, waves parting before the Ocean Queen.